Hey guys, listen. Building confidence in yourself is like strengthening a muscle. It takes time to achieve it. Consistently practice honesty and patience. You don't have to be loud to be confident. True confidence is quiet, grounded, and calm. It comes from knowing who you are even when no one's watching. That's it guys. So have a nice day. Mora to. Bye.